The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about what is required for a will to be valid in Illinois. So let's first talk about the elements of a valid will, and then we'll discuss handwritten wills, holographic wills, and foreign wills, and in which situations each of those can be valid, if they even can be. So first, the elements of a valid will in Illinois are that the creator is at least 18 years old and of sound mind and has the mental capacity to understand the consequences of his or her actions in creating the will. The will has to be signed by the creator in the presence of at least two witnesses who are also of sound mind and also at least 18 years old, and these witnesses have to sign contemporaneously with the creator. So it's really that simple. Those are the requirements for a will to be valid in Illinois. But there's a couple specific scenarios that a lot of people have questions about. So first, let's talk about what a handwritten will is. It's not necessarily something that's written in pen as opposed to typed. A handwritten will is a will prepared by the author without the aid of an attorney. And these are valid as long as they meet the other the requirements of any will in Illinois. So it's not required to have an attorney prepared to or an attorney involved to prepare a will, although we're going to talk about later why it's pretty important to do that anyway, even though it's not a legal requirement. A question people ask is, can you make handwritten changes to a will? And the answer is generally no. So if you want to update a will, the proper way to do it is something called a codicil, and this is a modification of the existing will, or you can do a new will revoking the old will. Any changes you make to a will have to be done in this codicil according to the same requirements that the initial execution follows. So you need to have your changes witnessed by two people. And so if you have a typed will, you can't just handwrite on changes to it, even if you have the witnesses come back and initial those changes. What you do is you do an amendment to your will called a codicil and execute it in the same way that you did your initial will, or just do a new will entirely. A holographic will is a handwritten will that does not have any witnesses, and these are not valid under any circumstances. So that's just a term of art. Holographic will is someone leaves a letter and signs it saying, here's how I want my estate divided. If there's no witnesses, this is not valid. A foreign will is a will that was created in a different state. So these will generally be upheld in Illinois as long as the creator resided in the state that it was created in at the time that it was created, and it met with all the state laws in that foreign state. So even if it didn't generally meet the requirements of an Illinois will, but it met the requirements of a Nebraska will, and the person lived in Nebraska at the time and later moved to Illinois, the Illinois probate courts will uphold the Nebraska will. The exception here is that holographic wills, ones that don't have two witnesses, are invalid under any circumstances. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below our post at learn-about-law.com. If you found this helpful and you'd like to receive updates when we publish future content, which we do on a daily basis, please subscribe to us at our YouTube station, on SoundCloud, and on iTunes, and check our website out at learn-about-law.com. If you would like our help with any legal matters, we offer free consultations in almost every area of law. You can give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. And we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.